Welcome to the Platinum Trading Academy's Trades of the Week. Today I'm going to take you through some nice swing trade opportunities that triggered from our long-term daily chart. Let's have a quick look at our live trading floor. Our clients have lifetime access to this trading floor. It's packed with articles, our chart analysis for the week provided each and every Monday. We also have our important trading zones of the day, which you'll also see on our trading system. So without further ado, let's dive straight into our trades for this week. First, let's start with the GBPUSD, concentrating on this middle section around the 50% retracement on the Fibonacci level. Let's now move over to our trading system and see where this trade came into play. As you can see on Tuesday, the price entered this range and sold off for around 150 pips. Let's take a quick look on our algorithm to see how this particular trade matched with our system. As you can see, this particular trade was marked by our important trading zone. With our swing trades, we set a 40 pip stop loss and aim for between 80 to 100 pips. For our second trade, let's move back to our trading floor. As you can see on the Aussie dollar, there were two levels provided, one at 6615 and the second at 6685. If you took the 6615, you would have been stopped out, but it would have soon after hit the 6685, engaging a second attempt. This price then reversed a comfortable 100 pips. Let's now take a look at our algorithm at how this trade played out. As you can see on Wednesday, it hit the level perfectly and sold off for 100 pips, landing directly into another one of our important trading zones. Lastly, for our third trade, we have a trade on the Aussie's cousin, the New Zealand dollar, otherwise known as the Kiwi. As you can see, we have a resistance area set up around the 6230 level. Let's take a look at this level today. As you can see, it's easily touched the level and engaged the trade. Moving back to our algorithm, you can see that it's also hit our sell zone exactly at 6230, then selling off at 80 pips. The three of these trades combined, with a modest 50 pip target, would have easily netted you 150 pips for the week, a performance that any trader would be proud to have over 3 trades. If you'd like to learn how to execute trades like this yourself, simply book yourself in for a consultation by clicking the button in the top right corner of our website. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again next week.